Hi guys, I get Autumn #perfect, and today, this is my first video, so obviously I'm going to say a little bit about myself, and maybe in other videos I will too, but, my name's Autumn. I'm originally from St. Louis, Missouri, and, I am 10 years old. That's my sister. I have a mom, a dad, of course, and I have an older sister, an older brother, and a younger sister, which her name is Evelyn. And
What's my name?
And I'm a huge fan of Michael Jackson. And I also like Savannah and Cole. So Savannah and Cole, if you see this video, then please like and subscribe to my channel or comment down below. And I really want to do a video with you soon. So I might have like vlogs, music, lyric videos. I might do other stuff, collabs. But all I'm saying is that when I say Autumn #perfect, when I was little, I always used to say, hey guys, back up Autumn #perfect. I'm not saying I'm perfect because nobody's perfect, but it's just something I say, and I hope that other people can use it to make their own things in the beginning. So, yeah. Also, I love SS Sniper Wolf too, so go follow her. Bye. Please like this video, subscribe.